Okay, we'll pick up the duck. Go ahead, pick up the duck. We gotta pick up the duck. See? We pick up the duck. Okay. See? And we make the duck sit up. Like that.
Hello?
Is that better?
Hello?
Hello.
What is it?
It's Mommy.
Mommy? I will go pot. I will make a bit. Okay?
Okay.
Sure.
Sure. Bye. Who you calling?
Nana.
Nana?
How are you? Oh, I will go. I will beat. I will go buy a big card. A big card. I will go. I will go next thing. Wait a minute. We will make it. It will really be a duck. Ducky.
Is that your ducky?
Ducky goes in here.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so cute. Oops. Oh, she's so cute. That goes in here. Oh, a bear. Okay, a bear. A bear sit right here. A duck. Oh, she's so cute. Oops. You say take a break.
Where are you going with the bear?
Oh, I just.
The bear. Okay.
Oh no.
Well, the bear's sitting. It's okay. You don't have to kick the bear.
Oh, no.
It's okay. The bear's sitting. I don't understand what the problem is.
Stay right there. The roof. Up to top. Or up there.
That bear's going to fall down.
Up there in the top.
Yeah, the bear's not going to fit on the top.
Bears go upstairs.
You want bear to go up there? I'm pretty sure bear's not going to fit up there. I'm just saying.
Yes.
See, we put bear there. Oh, he can fall down. See? He's falling down. Whoop, boof. Whoop, boof. Boof. It doesn't fit. Bear's too big. See, bear's too big. Whoop, boof.
She's going down.
Yeah.
She's going. A baby duck. A baby duck going down. Ah. Mommy, that's a blanket.
What's the matter?
Oh, the blanket, the corner.
What are you doing? Is that better? What's the matter? It's not going to fold like that, honey. It's too small.
A baby.
Yeah.
I use a baby.
Mm-hmm.
I want the baby. Oh no.
What's that?
A baby.
Is that a baby? You can put that in the blanket? Yeah. Okay. Here, why don't we try this? Want mommy try something? Here, watch. You do like this, and then we do like this, like that, and like that. There you go. See? Is that better?
No, I want it over there. I want to go downstairs.
Okay, we'll go downstairs.